Welcome to EV Journey. I'm LG, back again with another Tesla accessory video for you. Today we're going to be installing mud flaps, front and rear mud flaps on my Tesla Model Y Juniper, because let's face it, these Teslas kick up a ton of gravel and rocks and dirt and stuff that hit right into the body of your car and scratch up the paint. So hopefully these mud flaps I got from evbase.com will help prevent that from happening. Let's get these bad boys installed. We'll start with the rear first. The procedure is the same for both sides. There's 4 fasteners to remove from the rear before you put the mud flap on. There's 2 plastic clips at the bottom, a little hand screw here at the top, and then underneath here, there's a number 10 bolt. EVBase does provide a little wrench so you can get that bolt off. Okay, now we'll do the 10mm screw underneath. Now that we have all the fasteners removed, we can go ahead and do a test fit with the mud flap. You can see this little notch right here. That actually goes behind the trim, so it'll hold it in place and you can't really get these misaligned. So to get it lined up real easily, just get that top one on there. Then you're gonna have to, now it's lined up, you'll bend it a little bit. There you go. You'll hear the groove pop in, and now it's secured behind the trim right here. Now we'll secure it with the top thumb screw. All right, the last step now is to use the new fasteners to secure the final 2 spots here. So the front's easier than the rear because you just have these 2 fasteners here that you need to remove and replace with the new fasteners. First, let's go ahead and give the area a little bit of a cleaning with our wheel and tire cleaner. All right, now let's pull these old clips off. And this next one's a little bit tricky because it's pretty far in there. And there you go. All right, now let's line this one up and make sure to get this notch around the trim right here. So line up your holes right there. Bend this part back and it'll snap behind the trim and stay in place, see? Now all we have to do is put in these fasteners, one in the back and the second one in the front. And we'll pop in the center punches. Well, there you have it, mud flaps installed on my Tesla Model Y Juniper in both the front and the rear. These mud flaps are from evbase.com. If you're interested in these or any EV accessories, head on over to evbase.com and enter the promo code LG today to save 20% off your entire order. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. Is it a yay or is it a nay? I'm LG. Thanks for watching. This is EV Journey.